CB-Reviewla, professional and in-depth WordPress reviews website for best-selling products on ClickBank. CB-Reviewla is the most effective solution to promote ClickBank products and make sweet commissions each and every day. Here's a quick look at what you'll get. Well-researched and interesting ClickBank products reviews. Plug-and-play WordPress website, just install and promote. Insert your ClickBank nickname with one click. Comes with XML file to import to your existing website. Powered by the most effective WordPress plugins. All review pages are designed to deliver the maximum conversion rate. Just take 15 minutes to set up. Setup manual included. A lot of high quality bonuses. And for a limited time, get a 1 free website setup. But this is limited for the first 50 customers. However, you can install the website in less than a minute. And here's how it works. Setup number 1. Unpack the package and upload the 2 website files to your server. And step 2. Run the installer. Enter your database information and wait just a few seconds. Done! Step number 3. Update your ClickBank nickname. That's it. But wait, I hear you saying, what if I just want to add the reviews to my existing WordPress website? No problem. Just use the included XML file and import it into your existing WordPress website. It's that simple. So, what are you waiting for? With all these features, you have absolutely no excuses if you cannot make money on ClickBank right away. So don't waste any more time. Take action right now and download your copy by clicking the button below. Take your ClickBank account to the very next level. See you on the other side. And don't dilly-dally, don't be late.